What's up, friends? If you're like me, sometimes you think you have the greatest idea in the world, and then when you go to use it, it doesn't work. This is me and cabinets in my van. I've remade the sink cabinet in my van like 5 times probably. So I've figured out a way to do it kind of on the cheap and not spend a whole bunch of money on making a nice cabinet every time, and just to find out that it doesn't work. So this is what I do. I build my cabinet out of 1x2s first. It's just 1 inch by 2 inch ish, and just try it, like to see if that's the size I like my cabinet to be or not, and I could try different things, very different configurations very inexpensively, and see if it's going to work. Like this cabinet used to come out to here, and then I got my fridge, and then I couldn't really have a top there without it being a slide out, so I had to see how that was going to work out. This is okay. It's all right. It's not great. So I'm not really too concerned about it, because this is like, kind of like a prototype. That's why it's got kind of a, whatever top on it. It's functional, but it's not like super nice. It's not sexy countertop, but it's a test unit. You know what I mean? So after I've gone on a month-long road trip, I realize what does and doesn't work with it. And now I can, kind of, make it better and redo it. So here we go again. Let's go with attempt number 6. I think I'm going to actually extend this countertop back out to here and do a slide out for my fridge. And we'll see how that goes. I got a Kreg jig, which is one of the best things in the world. It makes these kind of little holes in there, so you can drill down into it, into the frame itself. And so this way you can kind of try some different layouts in your van without wasting a whole bunch of money on wood. Because if you don't like it, just unscrew it and try something else. You know what I mean? All right, I hope that has helped some of you get some ideas for putting some cabinets together in your van. If you have some ideas for that sort of thing, let me know in the comments. Subscribe and like if you would. And next time we'll talk about some other fun van stuff. All right, we'll see you then.